Hi guys, my name's Solomon. Welcome back to another video. This here, I'm doing some Nerf gun reviews. This one is not made by Nerf. These two are. So, I have this, which this one came with. I'll put you there. This, which is what this one came with. And this one, which is this came with. So, start. So first, I will be trying all of the guns with all three of the bullets, or the Nerf, or the darts. We're going to see which one will hurt the most on which gun. Let's do this. First, the Connect one. Ow! Damn it! That hurt. I'll put you there. So far, the Connect one is winning. Okay, you. That hurts way more. Now those white ones is winning, but that's not fair. That's racist. They should make black ones. Black darts matter. Okay, yeah, the white ones won. Now this one. Very funny because I got this for Christmas from Santa. Oh, that didn't shoot. Or not. Oh, that didn't hit my hand. So.